Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to disable the Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service Alert on Windows. Let's start with the method here. You can see here, and we will do this by Task Manager. First, open the search bar and type Task Manager to open a window. Click on the Process button, find the Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service from this Task Manager list. Right click on it, open the context menu and select Open File Location to open a folder named Adobe GC Client. Leave the folder and return it back to the Task Manager. Now again, right click on Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service and tap on End Task. Now go back to the folder and erase the entire Adobe GCI client to disable the Adobe Genuine Integrity Service. Restart the system and check if the problem continues or not. So there are other methods as well. You can check it out from this website. I will put it on the description. But this is the easiest one from the Task Manager. And that's it. The alert should now be gone. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.